As the driver for the 2030 agenda, water should be at the heart of decisions on climate, health, energy, biodiversity, and food security. It's up to us. We have to act now and work together towards a more sustainable future and equitable world.
Thank you so much. We now would like to invite the co-host of this conference to connect the pillars that bind us all. So please give a warm welcome to the King of the Netherlands, His Majesty King Willem-Alexander.
And please welcome to the stage President of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomalî Raҳmon.
Thank you so much and welcome. We now invite you to connect the pillars that bind us all. And now, in order to close the loop, may I ask our two young people to assist the President and the King to connect the final message.
May we all be united by water action.
Water unites us all. We are now inspired by 10 different water-related actions which demand our attention. May this be a watershed moment for the world. That is our call of action to you.
We wish everyone the best possible conference. The formal opening by the Secretary General will start.
I now invite the conference to proceed with the election of its two presidents, one from the Kingdom of the Netherlands and one from Tajikistan. It is my understanding that there is a general agreement among the delegations to elect His Majesty King Willem-Alexander, King of the Netherlands, Prince of Orange-Nassau, and His Excellency Emomalî Raҳmon, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, as presidents of the conference. May I take it that the conference wishes to elect by acclamation His Majesty King Willem-Alexander and His Excellency Emomalî Raҳmon as its presidents? On behalf of all participants in the conference, I congratulate His Majesty King Willem-Alexander and His Excellency Emomalî Raҳmon, as well as the ex-officio vice presidents on their election, and invite the two presidents to take their seats at the podium to take over the proceedings of the conference. I request the protocol to escort their excellencies.
Ваше Величество, король Нидерландов Уильям Александр, Ваше Превосходительство, Генеральный секретарь Организации Объединенных Наций Антонио Гутерриш, Ваше Превосходительство, председатель 77-й сессии Генеральной Ассамблеи Чабака Хёрыш, Ваше Превосходительство, председатель Экономического и социального совета Лачезара Стоева, уважаемые главы государств и правительств, министры, уважаемые дамы и господа. Для меня большая честь и привилегия быть избранным на должность председателя конференции Организации Объединенных Наций по средносрочному всеобъемлющему обзору хода достижения целей международного десятилетия действий «Вода для устойчивого развития» 2018-2028 годы. Вместе с Его Величеством, королем Нидерландов Уильямом Александром.
умед дорам ки бо саъю талошҳои муштарак мо ба ҳадафҳои мувофиқашудаи байналмилалии марбут ба об
نائل خواهیم شد. از توجهتان سپاسگزارم و برای نتیجه بخش انجام دادن همایش امروزمان برای کار می‌خواهم.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, one is a country with soaring mountains, and the other has low-lying polders. One country lies upstream and the other downstream. One country is landlocked and the other is coastal. One is where the rivers begin and the other is where rivers flow into the sea. The differences between Tajikistan and the Netherlands couldn't be greater. As co-hosts, we may seem like an odd couple. We're opposites, each with a completely different water balance. Nonetheless, together we are delighted to welcome you to the start of the UN 2023 Water Conference. Because together we represent virtually the whole world of water.
Сейчас я приглашаю выступить с заявлением Генерального секретаря Организации Объединенных Наций, его превосходительство Антонио Гутерреша.
Your Majesty, Mr. President, I thank the Netherlands and Tajikistan for co-hosting and the President of the General Assembly for his critical role. Excellencies, dear friends, water is humanity's lifeblood. From the food we eat to the ecosystems and biodiversity that enrich our world, to the prosperity that sustain nations, to the economic engines of agriculture, manufacturing, and energy generation, to our health, hygiene, and survival itself. Water is a human right and the common development denominator to shape a better future.
Сейчас я приглашаю выступить с заявлением его превосходительства председателя 77-й сессии Генеральной Ассамблеи Чабуко Кёреш. Пожалуйста.
Your Majesty, King Willem Alexander, Your Excellency, President Emomalī Raḥmon, thank you for gathering us here to discuss our most precious, yet undervalued and misunderstood resource, water. Distinguished heads of state and governments, Mr. Secretary General, Excellencies, water friends, at the midpoint of Sustainable Development Agenda, we are at a watershed moment, as we heard this morning already. We know that we cannot fulfill our promise of sustainability, economic stability, and global well-being by speeding up conventional solutions only.